Hello, good morning Subki. Once again, Nagaland Times News Channel T. Welcome kurase itia ajala notun khobor khan update kuri dibo. Ajala first update ase ajikali teenagers khan bishibra mental balance loss hoina PUBG aro Free Fire game addiction to bishi thaga pa ase. Ajikali situation ti game player sobra phone na thakina boy bole na para ho jase kile addiction thaga nimite. Shocking incident to Madhya Pradesh te happen ho jase 17 years old boy ekjon to mental balance loss ho jase PUBG aro Free Fire game addiction nimite. Report pa hisab to itu teenagers to itia hospital te admit kurugena treatment to ja ase. Female khan ko hisab to itu baja to every night mobile game khela nimiti mental condition to bia ho jase aro itia tai ki pa ase sopi game feel kur thaka koi thakise. Next ase capacity building program based on Naga traditional agro biodiversity, food security aro climate change to Jafur Christian College ti health kuloshe kinchili aro Naga ball hesabte. Reporting itu program to Nagaland Institute of Development Study Dimapur da kinchili Naga ball experts aro UG scheme for transdisciplinary research for Indian Development Economic Scheme JCC collaborate kurgena organize kuloshe. Itu program ti Naga traditional dishes kan to perform kurdishe pork, fresh vegetable, juice, boiled leaf aro alag items kan bishi milaina. Next ase 14 Naga ho tribal kan to emergency meeting rakhiloshe aro Naga solution miti reaffirm kurloshe. 14 tribal ho kan pi dangor appreciate to Sri A.K. Mishra ke dia ase government of India represent kurina Naga solution miti negotiation party loina kotha kur thakan mite. Itia 14 Naga ho kan to Naga political group kan ke ko ase Naga political agreement to delay nokurina sign kurlo bole. House pe kotha kurina resolve kurloshe kikila group holepi tribal leaders aro alag Naga civil society kan ki intimidation na thaki bole. Khoborte house pe reaffirm kurloshe tribal ho kan to unite kurina Naga solution nimiti kharo kurbole. Ho to negotiation party kan ke appeal kuri dishe kikila agreement implement kurlepi tribal ho kan ke janaina final solution to sign kurbole lake koina. Next ase all Nagaland College Student Union ansu announce kuri dishe 20 Biennial General Conference to Haraldin tomorrow them loina October 22 23rd Koima Science College Autonomous Jotsomati held kurlo bole kwa ase. Itu announcement to ansu official kan press conference rakina address kuri dishe. President Vitso koi dishe itu occasion to every 2 year te general conference held kure aro occasion te notun team khan elect kurlo bole ase union lead kurbole nimite. President P jonai thakshe itu COVID-19 situation nimite 40 college opor bra 5 jon delegate khan hi ai bole invite kura ase koina. Next ase Kerela heavy rain thakan miti landslide flash flood bra murato hili 21 ho jase aro Union Home Minister Amit Shah to assured kuri dishe full support to dibolen mite. Sunday report hesab to district in tahi highest effect hoina ase Kota Yambra 13 June aro Iduki district bra Ajon Mura public relation department ko ase. It has to 105 relief camp kan set up kurloshe chief minister appeal kura hesabte. Itu duk digdar situation ti Union Home Minister Amit Shah to koi dishe central government bra full support digina state manukhan ki modob dibo koina. India Meteorological Department kan to yellow alert 11 district ti di thakshe aro ita 11 national disaster relief team kan to deploy kurna ase Kerala State Disaster Management Authority kan ki modob dibolin mite. Next ase Assam Congress leader Ankita Tuda to Dangor Thames Prime Minister ke di thakshe diesel price 95.13 rupees aro petrol bra 102.71 rupees utidan mite. Report Angita to Twitter luina post kuri dishe tel la dam to bishi utidan mite. Aro amguriti tai tel bara luina dangor khushi pala jonai thagise. Guwahati te petrol price to 102.14 te ase aro diesel price bra 94.59 rupees te ase. Nagaland to already petrol price to 105 opor bra ran krase itu pandemic picheti ita petrol diesel price to daily basis te uthi thaka pa ase. Next ase in the external affairs minister Dr. S. Jaishankar to ja kalibra strategic partnership nimiti Israel ponchiloshe. Minister Twitter report has up to visit to Tindin nimiti ase aro visit te bilateral meeting to alternative prime minister aro foreign minister ke rakhilo bole ase. India Israel bilateral relation to July 2017 Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit pra kuri loi Asia aro knowledge base expanding innovation research khan milai gena kuri thakar jonai thakise VCT Minister P India soldiers khan World War I ti Mura Khan ke tribute kuru lobola ase. Next ase Citizen Right Preservation Committee of Assam to strongly condemning kura ase Bangladesh ti itubar Durga Puja ti bloodshed thaka nimite. Itubar Durga Puja tu part BCT violence tu ulai jase Kumila, Chittagong, Gazapur, Bangladesh aro alag jagate. Violence te adults khan panga kuri dishe looting, maramari kidnapping, burning, raping aro property khan bang kura tu bishi hoi jase kuina CRPC statement te release kura ase. CRPC pi claim kura ase itu sopi External Affairs Ministry of India bra wi khwa nimiti incident tu inika hoa ase kuina report pa ase. Aro aji morning la notun khobor khan yate bra khutum kura ase.